Now we are addressing this press conference, particularly because of a complaint lodged by Jokin Dish. He is the ex-sarpanch of Seraulim village. He lodged a complaint with the collector and joint Mamlatdar Margam dated 24th July 2025. And this complaint pertains to an issue which is now a hot issue all over the country: manipulation of electoral rules. Now in Seraulim village, there is a bar and restaurant, very well-known bar and restaurant by name Palmera Bar, bearing house number 81 bar B. Now in this house number, there are 80 voters. The house is owned by Kamilu Dora, and the Dora family lives there, along with 80 other voters, which is a big attempt at national integration. The voters come from Bihar, Katimanis and Kanjini and Dora with the Dodamanis and Parbinis and Malakam, all sorts of names. Totally 80 voters in one house. The house number is 81B. But for the purpose of electoral rolls, 81B is further shown as 81B1, B2, BA, BC. Now to check the records, we applied under RTI to the village panchayat, and we've got a full set of panchayat house tax registered. There are none of these house numbers except house number 81B exists officially. All those are fictitious house numbers, and people have been entering these names in one bar, just one simple bar and restaurant, where probably the Dora family also lives. I don't know. So these are all the 80 voters. And earlier, about 5 years back, I recall, one Zemarikulas, former sarpanch of the village, had approached, and we had filled up and given forms in respect of the same complaint. Then he migrated abroad. Nothing happened. Now Joki has lodged the complaint, second complaint. Now this is not the only thing. The family has another bar, which bears house number 1B. In that, there are 20 voters. All such outsiders except for one Dora. All are outsiders. So totally 100 voters are there in two houses owned by the Dora family. Incidentally, the son of Kamil Dora is the deputy sarpanch of the village, and he has won by a margin of not even half of the illegal voters that are on the road. So this has nothing to do with what you call the issue being raised by Rahul Gandhi. We had raised it even before it became a national issue, but we have called this press conference to show that it appears to be a racket all over the country. The BLO could not have, the BLO is bound to go and see who is living there. Action has to be taken against the BLO. Action has to be taken against the electoral officer. Mere deletion of these names will not do. We demand action against all those involved in this illegal activity. And we are providing you the entire list of illegal voters. I will tell you, in 81B, the voters are registered from house number, in 81, where is that? In 81B, voters are registered from house number 547 to 627. Not voter numbers. Electoral roll number 547 to 627. Anyone can check it. The rolls are available on the net, and we are providing you copies. And in the house number 1B, the voters are from electoral roll number 4 to 23. Anyone can verify that also. Both the election commission and the citizens. These are in respect of part 11 of Seraulim village in Benaulim Constituency. Now clearly there is a pattern. Clearly there is a pattern throughout the country where electoral rolls are manipulated. And therefore there is need, hopefully, the Supreme Court will take clear note of what is happening in Bihar and will not sit on technicalities and will order a proper course so that this sort of thing is not repeated. It's clearly happening all over the country. And the matter is with the Supreme Court. Normally the Supreme Court prefers to say, no, these are within the ambit of the Election Commission. But leaving everything to the ambit of the Election Commission, when the Election Commission is openly a stooge of the ruling party, is anti-democratic. We do hope the Supreme Court will go beyond technicalities, will look into what is going wrong, and will order a correction all over the country. This is what is needed. If democracy has to survive, the election process must be fair, and the citizen must know that there is no manipulation of the electoral roll. This duty is cast from the Supreme Court. Hopefully, they will look into this and take appropriate action.
Doctor, almost
For this complaint, earlier,
any response from the collector?
no response. Now response will come. You see, these collectors and all do not respond to the citizen unless an issue is made. So we are making an issue, and if they don't respond, we know how to deal with them also. We will go and take a morcha to the collector's office. They have to take action on this complaint. They cannot tell us to follow procedures. Things are brought to their notice. They know what is wrong. Let them act. Let them issue notices to all these people.
Okay, total how many voters are there?
100 voters in 2 houses. I will speak to you. If finally the collector also becomes a stooge, he has lodged a complaint with the collector of the election commission, and the election commission in Goa also behaves like the election commission in Bihar. We may have to move the court, but there are other democratic ways of challenging the election of electoral officer. He has lodged a complaint with the collector. Actually, this should have been lodged to the electoral officer, which we are doing. We are lodging a complaint to the electoral officer, Margam. Same copy we are forwarding to them.
Election officer actually to action mark
We are doing action against the election officer.
Yeah, but complaint has to be given to the higher.
We are giving a complaint to the election commission.
Election commission.
This actually collector is a district returning officer, no? So we were actually told to file with him, and even the online portal complaint
Says that they have to file before the.
it goes to the collector only. So we have followed up with the joint Mamladar also, who is the AERO.
He is the AERO.
AERO.
Fine. Then the complaint has gone to the right authority.
Yeah. So AERO and the district DRO.
Collector immediately forward this to the concerned AER.
Yeah.
No, they will now forward it. Once your press
It must have been already
forwarded, but no action is taken.
No.
If they want us to come there, they come there, no issue. We'll bring half of Seraulim there also.
आमगे 5
Where do they stay now?
They don't stay there for sure. आणि नॉर्मली आमगे इलेक्शन 5-5:30 वास येता. सगळे वोटर पोवनेत आहे ते वोट मारताय आणि वयताय. Okay, we have noticed that. Thing वास येता वोट मारताय वयताय. These people are not staying there. It's not possible to stay under one roof. This many people cannot stay under one roof. A different religion, different caste, I should say, and this is not possible at all. And that is a bar, actually a bar which I also have a trade license details of this in both the bars. Okay, but they have now subdivided within, because since they are in power, they are abusing power. They have made several house numbers out of that 81B and 1B. So there are multiple numbers, there are multiple electricity connections, water connections, and we do have details on, we will share it later. All the structures are totally illegal. We have RTIs on that also. So this is what is happening there, and our Gram Sabhas, everything, they just open and close. No discussion, nothing. So most of you, even he comes sometimes. He comes. There is no discussion even on the minutes. They don't allow. Just close the book. Tenche kenna vadin kai kenna ekuch proposal asna. They just come. They read public proposals. Minda read kota. Then some are thrown out, and there's nothing. They just bulldoze their way through.
RTI report made that suggesting that this is not been registered as mentioned on the election law.
No, RTI, we have got the register of panchayat copies where these houses don't exist.
With the panchayat records.
Panchayat records is 81B, 81 Bharti.
Oh, 81.
That exists. But all these other numbers in which people are registered, they don't exist in panchayat record. They exist only in the election commission record.
Even to subdivide an existing house, there is a process which is not done. If you ask under RTI what are the documents submitted to asking for subdivision, they don't have anything.
No official subdivision can be done there, man, in a bar. See, to get a separate house number, you must have separate access to the house. You can't enter through one common entrance room and go to each room, and each room cannot have a separate house number. There will be different structure. At least even in one structure, separate entrances and exist. It is not there.
In this BLO's handbook, under chapter 4, it says a person should not be enrolled at an address where he is staying temporarily. And on the other hand, he is to be enrolled at his normal place of residence, even though he may be temporarily absent from there. So these people are temporarily registered there. Because when we question the BLO, what basis you are registering whether and how you are verifying, whether you go by the Aadhaar card or whatever documents, what other documents. He is saying the owner of the house gives me NOC to register the voters. That is exactly the reply given to me by the BLO, orally. But I said, which is not possible. So where is the Aadhaar card? Where they are registered on the Aadhaar card? He said, I don't have. I said, on what basis you are registering? On the NOC only.